Hello everyone, today we'll talk about half hour in the digital clock. Your classwork page 567, 68, 69, and we will do today you can do the homework on page 570. Now, you remember the clock? We talk about analog clock, which is having a face with the numbers, and this numbers start from number 1 till number 12. And we say we can skip count by 5. This clock having two hands. One it say the number and one it read the minutes. Now to tell the time in the analog clock, like on this case, you can see the small hand on 3, so it say 3 and the long hand standing on 12, it will say 3 o'clock. On digital clock we said it have only hour, colon, and then minutes. As you can see, digital clock hid the hand of number 60, so it removed it away. It keep it like 00 to remember saying clock. Now we have two new words like past, what happened before. I tell you what happened before, and the word half. We say half is to cut anything into two parts and they are equal. They are having the same size. To tell the time in analog clock, to say half, every time the long hand walks on 6, it will feel tired and say what? Ha, half. And you know, the small hand will be standing between two numbers. Now, we say that Mr. Monkey and Mrs. Cookie are having a race. So, every time Mr. Monkey reach number 12, where you put 00 up, it say what? Clock. Mr. Monkey will say clock. Cookie always say the number. Meow, it's 1 o'clock. Meow, 2. Meow, 3. But Mr. Monkey, it felt tired in the middle of the way, so he needs to drink water. When it's 30, he said, half. Half. How it's 30? Let's see that with Mr. Monkey. So, hi, Cookie. Cookie today will explain to us what is the half of 60. So, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Can you tell us how you can cut this 60 into two parts? Excellent, Cookie. So, I will have numbers 10, 20, 30, and on the other side, 10, 20, 30. Thank you, Cookie. So that's why I'm putting 30 down, because it's the half of 60. Remember, I don't write it 60 like this. I remove the hand. It will be like 0. Now, on digital clock, we have hour, colon, and then minutes. Now, we learned before how to make it 00 to say 3 o'clock. On this lesson, we will learn when the minutes is on 30, how to read it. We can say 3:30 or what? It's the middle of 60, so you are taking your breath. You say half past 3 or 30 minutes after 3. So what time is it? Let's see on our manipulative. So this is our clock. As you can see, I will turn on the digital clock in the middle. Look now. The minutes hand walk slowly on the minutes. When it's 12, it will say 12 o'clock, clock, because you have a 00. Now down after 12, you see the small hand is between 12 and when it say after 12, it's what? Half past 12 or 12:30. It's easy to read it. You just read it as it's written, 12:30. Okay? Let's change our time and see what time is it here. 4 o'clock. Clock, 4 o'clock. Now tick, 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 tick. It's down till 30. It will say what? It's thirsty and want to drink water. So it will say half past after the 4. So it's half past 4. So this one is moving. Half past 4. It's between 4 and 5. Okay, let's try another timing. And here it is. It's after the 7. It's after the 7. So we will say 7 and it's down. All the time when you have analog clock, remember to put 00 up and 30 down. So it will be easy now. It's after the 7, so it's 7:30. 7:30 or half past 7 or 30 minutes after 7. Okay? Half past 7 or 7:30. Now let's do this on our book. It's very easy. Look at my timing. It's 11. What? Read it. 11:30. Excellent. 11:30. So you can say half. You can see. You can write it here. Half past 11, or you can say it's 30 minutes after 11. It's 30 minutes after 11. Now on the next page, look carefully to my analog clock, the orange one. So I'll put up 00 and down 30. Now it's easy for me to read it. I will say 30. The long hand is on 30, so I'll put here half, and it's after 5. After 5, so it's 5:30. Let's see the next one. Put 00 up and 30 down. It's down. It's down on 30, so I can write it here. Sorry. 30, and it's after the 2. So it is 2:30. Let's do this. It's 7 what? 30 or half past which number? 7. Half past 7. So I can say it's 30 minutes after 30 minutes after 7. 30 minutes after 7. So please try to practice on your manipulative, try to read the time, and see you next time. Thank you.